This is my first lecture to make today. I will introduce cardot, the new product mobile app upgrade system to you. And this is 2019 year new product. This product compatible with original car start-stop system. It doesn't work with the aftermarket start-stop system. Please remember that compatible with original start-stop system. Okay, original, okay. Turn to the second page. Applicable conditions. I have made 3 categories. Situation 1, original car has door handle entry. Also, 2 pieces smart key, RFID, PKE could work at the same time. RFID means PKE. The situation 2, original car has not door handle function, but 2 pieces smart key remote RFID could work at the same time. This is the second situation, okay? The situation 3, original car has start button. Take the smart key towards the car. Not only it has not auto unlock function, that means it has not PKE just like our aftermarket PKE. It is different meaning, okay? But also it also has not door hand entry, not passive keyless entry function. This is special PKE. Another meaning. This is another special case, but it's 2 pieces smart keys RFID feature could work at the same time. About 3 different situations, they have a same point. PKE 2 smart keys RFID can work at the same time. This is the same point. Remember that. But as for aftermarket PKE systems, smart key cannot work at the same time. So our mobile app system cannot work with the aftermarket system. That's why. Okay, that's why it is. Now let me turn to the 3rd page. This is product standard conditions. As you can see, no smart key, no start button. That's right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, 1 piece manuality, 1 piece start cables. This start cables is different to present our old GSM typical classroom system 6-piece starts. It is different aftermarket GSM typical system. It has 2 start cables, 2 foot brakes. Okay, this is different. 1 piece 8-piece brake cables, 1 piece 6-piece set lock, 6 wires, 1 piece passive keypad, 1 piece GPS manuality, 1 piece GPS antenna, 1 piece GSM antenna, 1 piece SOS button, 1 piece outside voice microphone. This is standard condition about this new product into 2019 year, but it has not smart key, no start button. Why? Because original car start button has smart key, has start button. So we don't need to send the smart keys to the car, the original car. It is very easy install our product to the car. This product can fit more vehicles than aftermarket product. Okay, this is product standard conditions introduction. Now let me turn the 4th page, product details analysis. Okay. As you can see, this is the circuit board of this product. And I will introduce them one by one. Okay, one by one. 1 6P start cable. I just introduced that, and start cable is different to the aftermarket start cable. Okay, it has two wires for the brake wires, 2 start cables, and number two, 8 piece. I will introduce this about that, and after some pages, I will introduce that. Okay, please wait a moment, and then we go to the number 3. Number 3, 6P set knocks. Okay. Why we make 6 wires to collect set knock? If you only have 2 wires like unlock, it only fits knock, like negative trigger or positive trigger. But for 6 wires, it can fit many other and set knock trigger modes. Negative, positive, negative and positive, and other wires about the set knock and signal polarity. Number 4, password. As for this product, we also have password keypad. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Okay, let me get back to the product details and analysis page. Okay. Password. When you lost smart key, when you forget to take smart key, when smart key battery is dead, you can use this emergency method to enter your car, enter the car and drive your car. This is for emergency purpose. And number five, as you can see, this is projector screen. Number five, our system will give the power to this original circuit, smart key circuit board. Okay, when you put start, original start, when you restart app start, when you app start, our system will give power to this smart key. Smart key get power and we're working on the car. RFID system will detect the signal. So you can use app to start. So this power, the 2 wires for power is very important for that. And GPS module. Okay, I just skip that. This is 6, number 3, and number 6. Okay, this is DIP switch. You can see DIP 1 normal start mode, foot brake mode. And as for some cars, it is normal open default mode. And if you change it, it is normal close. And this foot brake, normally it is open, but as for some special cases, some special car is a normal close. This is special issue. We don't need to know more about that. Okay, we just get a little knowledge about that. And number 7, this is GPS module. Okay, GPS module, I will introduce details in the later pages. Okay. Product static composition. This is my unity. We just introduced that. This is 6P central wires. This is 6P slot cables. This is 8 pins main cables. This is power wires. This is passports. This is GPS module. This is GPS antenna. This is a GSM antenna, and this is SOS button. Okay. This is the stand composition. We just introduced that before. Okay, let me introduce the GPS circuit board. First, number 1, GPS SM card hold position. Put the SM card inside this holder. This is holder, okay, slot for your SM card. The number 2, with external voice speak. You can monitor the situation inside the car. If someone is talking inside the car, you can monitor talking and speaking. And number 3, HK brand relay. This is a famous brand in China. It means good quality. And 4, 6 pins GPS main unity cables. Okay. This is the main cables for GPS module. Okay. It has immobilizer wires, a knock unlock, yes, and the SOS button. Okay. Number 5, GSM antenna. Number 6, GPS antenna. This is very easy to remember. It is very easy to read. Okay, so introduce the number 6. Okay, GPS communication module. Our GPS module is a good module. Our GPS module is special. It's different to others. It has two relays inside the secured board inside the GPS module, lock and unlock. Okay. And number 8 is always emergency help button and immobilizer. And this feature is very important and very useful and under some emergency situations. If you are in hijacking, you need to get emergency help. You only hold the SOS button almost 3 seconds. You will get our system there called the emergency help before, and you will get prompt help from others or your friends or policemen or your relatives. Immobilizer means you can send SMS or you can use APP to stop the engine, reset or restore oil by this feature. Okay. Number 9, GPS satellite unit brand chip. That means we also use the good quality chip, brand chip for GPS module. So you don't worry about the current product quality. Trust us. Okay, trust the quality. And 10, GSM GPS working status indicator light. Usually, you can judge the GSM or GPS signal by this LED indication light blink status. If it is blink slowly, it means a good signal for GSM or GPS. Okay, that's my finish about this page. Now let us turn to the other page. Okay, this is the production main functions. Upgrade GSM GPS mobile APP control system become patient with the original start system. I just introduced this product. Okay, I will introduce their manufacturer functions one by one. Okay, this one mobile APP lock unlock. The mobile APP start engine. The second, this mobile APP open trunk. This APP monitor the car. And someone is talking inside your car. You can monitor the situation inside the car. Monitor the voice inside the car. And this GPS location, GPS tracking. You can locate your car where it is. You can locate that. You can get the exact location. Okay, by GPS. Okay, GPS tracking. If you drive your car to some places, but you forget it, you can know your history routing by this feature. Okay, the GPS history. And this, can you read that? What?
GPS location.
GPS location. This GPS location. This SMS APP cut oil. You can use SMS or APP cut oil. This is for anti-theft. Okay. Now this is SOS. You can get the safety feature, protect you by this feature SOS. You can get emergency help from your relatives and policemen, your friends. Okay. This is Bluetooth. What is Bluetooth? Okay. Bluetooth has 2 different meanings. And as for the first meaning, you don't need use the SM card. You just use Bluetooth. You can operate the APP like unlock and other functions. And you also can use Bluetooth PKE. What is Bluetooth PKE? Just like a smart key. Shake your mobile phone, lock unlock. Okay, that PKE. Don't open the APP to lock unlock. And this is authorization. This new feature authorization. This feature is very useful under some special cases, some special situations. Your friend want to drive your car to other places, but you don't want to give the smart key to your friend. You just give authorization to your friends. Your friends can drive your car without smart key. So it is very useful. Okay, I just finished the introduction about the basic terms and basic functions. Now I will introduce the where collections, because this is product where collections. This is the where collections. We have that. If you want to get this, we will send to you. But in this video, in this lecture, I don't want to introduce it with details. So I will skip to other page. Okay. This is GPS antenna, GS antenna. Okay. This one, yellow. This one, yellow color. Yellow color. This is immobilizer engine. Okay. This is SOS. This is GSM antenna. This is GPS antenna. This is 6 wires lock. This is 6 pins stack cable. This is 8 pins main cables. This is power wires for smart key. Power on. Okay. Give power to the smart key, original smart key. Okay. As you can see, this 6 pin stack cables. Green wire stack wire, blue wire stack wire. This is very different to the aftermarket stack cables. Aftermarket only has 1 stack wires, but for this model, it has 2 wires, okay, and 2 foot brake wires. Okay. This is the second different point. These red wires, black wire, gives power to the system. This is 6 pin main cables. Orange, handbrake. What is the handbrake wire? What role it is playing? If you want to APP start, you must click this hand wire. This is hand wire, okay? Oil check wire. Our system, how does our system judge engine is running? Our system judge engine running by these wires, engine detection wires, oil pass wire. Okay, you must collect this wire. So if you don't collect this wire, our system cannot work normally. Okay, black to the car mating body, black green color clutch output. This is optional. Normally you don't need to collect this. Okay, pink and red black 2 wires for serial. This is same to our aftermarket GSM GPS system. It fits positive or negative curves, serial trigger signal, and purple white trunk output. Also, it is same to the aftermarket trunk output, 2 wires. So it will fit different signal trigger wires of trunk. It is flexible, so this is good. Okay. Now this switch lock, send out 6 wires. Number close, unlock, number open, lock, number close. And normally, they are most cases they are negative, positive, negative and positive, okay, negative, positive. Usually we will see 3 different types. They are usually used to collect switch lock. Now let me turn to the other page. Okay. Warm tips. This product has not SMS or full alarm notification. Okay, notification function. This is different to aftermarket GSM GPS alarm system. As for GSM GPS alarm system, it has alarm SMS or full alarm notification, but for this model, no function. Right? Okay, please remember that. And the second, products alarm working with aftermarket start system. Before I just before I have mentioned that about this feature. Does not is not working with the aftermarket start system. And number 3, product has not smart keys and start buttons included. Okay. As for this product, no smart key, no start button, because originally car has smart key and start button. installation warning. When you install product, you must take high attention to other points. I have listed some warnings here. Number one, make sure that power wire collection is a waiting point where between original key and alarm power wire. Number two, don't forget to collect handbrake wire or collect handbrake wire properly. Okay, this will make sure successful APP start. Okay. Number three, must collect two for the brake wire and two starter wires. This is different to the aftermarket GSM common system. Two for the brake, two starter wires. Okay. Number four, must collect oil personnel. This is very important for this product. If you don't collect this, it cannot work. Okay, oil personnel. Okay, for engine running detection purpose. Number five, must collect two siren wires and trunk wires. Two wires. This is said to the aftermarket. Aftermarket GPS common system. Okay, it can fit more situation. It is fitting negative signal or positive signal trigger wires. Okay. Product segment, same points. You will ask, why do I buy this product? Now I can tell you. Wire collection is easy. Okay. It is more easy than the aftermarket. Okay. Two, under this keeping a smart key, a start button, or still can use a mobile APP control function. You can keep your smart key and start button. You don't need to change them. You only add cardot mobile APP control system. So it will protect your car's security. You don't need to change them. First, fix all cars with the original start system. This product can fit almost cars with start button, original start button. Okay, and with emphasis on original word. Bluetooth controlled by APP, GS, and GPS is not necessary condition. Under the particular situations, GS and GPS is not necessary. Bluetooth is okay. So you don't need to pay money for traffic data. Okay, data traffic. APP authorization functionality you drive your car only by APP. So you can give your car to your friend or your relative. Don't need to give the smart key to them. Okay. SOS emergency help let you escape the possible risk. It will protect you. I have introduced that before. Control on lovable car online real-time by GPS. Control your car. You will know your car where it is, and when lovable online real-time. It is real-time. It is not a history. You can know your car location. Passport emergency entry with an APP or smart key. I have just introduced that before. So here I don't want to introduce that. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or any help, you can contact us. Thank you for your purchase of product.